So I recently just took a trip to LA, and it was the first time that I really had to outfit a tech bag to travel with, and I wanted to tell you what I brought along. Here's what's in my tech travel bag for 2019. I'm going to talk about two bags today. My go-to everyday carry bag is the Pop Quiz backpack from Herschel. Now, if you're someone who's a college student or someone who just needs a backpack in general, then this bag is perfect. Its design, quality, and comfort just make it an all-around great bag to use. Now, it has a laptop sleeve that can fit a 15-inch laptop with a pocket in the front and a large compartment in the middle. It's got some great padding, and the outer canvas just makes this an all-around great bag to use. Now, the only big drawback about this backpack is that it doesn't really have a dedicated spot for a camera. Now, if you're a creator like me, carrying your camera is an absolute must. So for that, I have the InCase Pro Pack. Now, this is more geared to those who want to travel with their gear, but what I really like about the InCase is the form factor and the design. Most camera backpacks are either really ugly and fit a lot of stuff, or really stylish and don't have enough room. The InCase Pro Pack is the perfect balance between the two. It has a fully dedicated space for all your camera gear in the back, and it can fit 1 to 2 bodies and a few lenses. Over on the front, it's got a dedicated spot for your laptop and other peripherals, and its relatively small form factor makes this a solid bag to travel with. All in all, it has a very sleek design that looks stylish while being very functional. Speaking of cameras, the one that I'm currently using as my everyday carry is the Panasonic Lumix GH5. Its image quality for a micro four thirds sensor is next to none. It's weather sealed and can shoot in 4K 10-bit at 24 or 30 frames per second, 4K 8-bit in 60 frames per second, and up to 180 frames per second in 8-bit Full HD. Now, yes, it's a micro four thirds system, which means because of the smaller sensor size, you won't get the same shallow depth of field that you would on a full frame camera. However, you can mitigate this problem with a focal reducer or speed booster to get some full frame like results. Its IBIS is pretty amazing, and the variety of lenses just makes this camera an all-around great camera for content creation, and it handles stills pretty well too. Now, I've mentioned laptops a few times. The one I'm currently rocking is the 2018 15-inch MacBook Pro. And as much as I love D-brand skins, if you want a retro look for your laptop, then you can snag the retro Apple skin that I have from Slick Wraps. If you're a creator, then the 15-inch MacBook Pro will most likely serve you the best. While I wish it was smaller, the power that's packed into this slim form factor makes it a great asset when you're on the go. So if you are noticing a different style with this video, that's going to be thanks to JD from Sun Squared Media for being my cameraman. He's a great guy, makes some amazing content for the Sun Squared Media team. Definitely check him out, and I'll leave his links in the description below. Now, moving on over to entertainment, when you're traveling, you always want to have something to help you kick back and relax. For me, that's got to be the Nintendo Switch. Now, I know you've heard it 1,000 times from people like Kevin Kenson and your average consumer, but the Switch truly is the best around portable console on the market right now. Now, that might change with the Switch Lite, but its incredible library of first-party and indie games coupled with the unique design makes the Switch a must-have. Being able to just take it out of your bag and launch first-party titles like Zelda or Mario Kart is something we're only able to do on the 3DS, but with half of the gaming power. So having a Switch is great, but its battery life is less than stellar. This means you're going to have some sort of external power. Right now, I'm carrying the Aki 10,000 power delivery bank. Now, this isn't your largest power bank, however, what I really liked about it was the price, versatility, and form factor. It's priced around $30, and with Quick Charge 3.0, you can charge your Switch as well as your phone. It's super slim, which makes it really easy to carry around, and has 2 USB ports and 1 USB-C port for faster charging. Now, whenever you are traveling, you're going to need some good audio. For me, that has to be the Focal Listen wireless headphones. Although they don't have active noise cancellation, the noise isolation coming from them is pretty decent. But the main reason you would really want to pick up these is for the sound quality. These cans are no less than amazing. The frequency response rate is very flat, which makes these headphones great for editing. The highs and mids are incredibly clear, and the bass is crisp but full. Definitely recommend these if you are looking for some good sounding editing headphones. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Again, big shout out to JD from Sun Squared for manning the camera on this one. If there's anything else that you'd like me to know, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Also, if you liked this video, you know what to do. If you didn't, well, too bad. This is Luke with Techno Minute. Until next time, peace.